So there's a tiny little walkway next to my home, and I utilize it. It's sheltered and lots of sun. Here's some paste tomatoes, so they're doing well. We've got lots of blooms. There's more tomatoes, more paste tomatoes. In between we have peppers, the Juanita pepper, which they make the pepper dew from. We have sprouting broccoli, and when I'm in the garden I always munch on it. It's very healthy. I get my dose of greens in. The Malabar spinach is yellow, so I better put some more nitrogen in there. It usually makes huge leaves, and these will become the berries. But we have spinach there as well. More sunflowers, other flowers. This is just a seed packets mix, so I don't exactly know what that's going to become. And that's fennel that I just threw seeds down. Sage is doing well, and I threw down a whole lot of German chamomile, so I suppose this is what is coming up here. I hope so. I've been told it can really get out of hand, and I'm counting on that. I don't mind. So the calendulas busy forming seeds. They're flowering very well. As you can see, my lounge is there. So this is my view from the lounge. So I'm really enjoying it. This is the strangest thing. I thought this tomato was not doing well, but look what we have here. San Marzano tomatoes, bovadilla plant, more peppers, more tomatoes, potatoes. Can you see? It's potatoes. I use every bit of space I have. So more tomatoes there. These ties have been lined with the lining. Their function is merely to keep the soil in, but I do find that when it gets very hot, the black might not be a good thing, so I'm going to evaluate that thought process and action. Some more sage, more tomatoes, all tomato plants. There I see the tiniest spot of mildew. When I see anything like rust or mildew, I remove it immediately. I don't let it get out of hand on the plant. And yeah, I've planted a whole lot of blue seedlings. All the flowers are supposed to be on the blue theme, so let's see what happens. Then my celery is busy going to seed, but I'll come with my dish soap now, because I see there are aphids, and usually a good jet of water can get rid of them, but I find the soap does also help, because I don't want it spraying onto my other plants. As you can see, the leaves from the garden services guys, from the neighbors, everybody just gifts me leaves. And we have various types of peppers here. Tomatoes coming up, and then in between, I don't know, there's some more tomatoes down there's more barrage, and somewhere here is fennel, but I obviously threw leaves over it, but it'll come out, it'll push up. Some more tomatoes. Looks like something stung that one, which is strange. And looks like there's mildew on these leaves, so they've got to be removed immediately. So that's what it looks like next to the house.